What if I told you that you can check whether your answer is correct in just 5 seconds without solving the entire problem again? In today's lesson, you will learn the amazing digit sum check technique from Vedic mathematics. Let's start the lecture. Okay. So this lecture, lesson 3, lecture 7. In this lecture, we will discuss about uh, digit sum check. Digit sum check. If we have given any if we have solved or we have given any addition, okay, any multiplication, yes, any sum and multiplication, so then we can check the answer of that addition and multiplication by using digit sum check, digit sum. Okay. We will understand this topic by various examples, and in the end of the video I will give you the multiple problems for solving, which help you uh, which help you in sharpening your mind. So now I am starting the lecture. Okay, the first problem is find 32 plus 12 and check the answer using digit sum. We will check the answer using digit sum and find we have to find uh, what will what what will be the answer when we add 32 and plus 12. Okay, we have to solve this and check this by digit sum. Okay, so here we will write 32, okay, and 12. Yes, then here is 32 and this 12. The we have to add this. So 2 plus 2, what will be 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 will be 4, you know. So we will write here, I will write here 4. Okay, again we have to move on the next digit. Uh, so here is 3 plus 1, what will come at this place when we add 3 plus 1? So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So we have to write this answer here. Okay, so we will write here 4. Now we will check, yes, 32 and 12, 44. Yes, so we have to check, we will check this answer, is this answer correct or not? Okay, so we will learn this matter by this example. Okay, here is first number is 32 and second number is 12. By adding these two numbers we get answer 44. So then we will we will find the digit sum of first number. Okay, first number we will find the digit sum of first number. Yes, we find this sum of first number. Here is 32. In 32 there are two digits, there are two figures, and then we will add these two figures. Okay, we will have to add these two figures. Here is 3 and 2. Here is 3 and 2. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. So then what we will write here? 3 plus 2 will be 5. So that means this is sum of this first number. This is sum of this first number is 5. So we will write this here. Okay, here again we will move on the next number. Okay, and next number is 12. So then we will find the digit sum of this number. We will find digit sum of this number. Okay, so here is second number is 12, and it has two digits, it has two figures. First one is 1 and second one is 2. Then we will add these two figures to find the digit sum of this number. Okay, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 will be 3. Okay, so here are this sum of 32 is 5, and this sum of 12 is 3. Yes, and we will add these digit sum. We will add the digit sum. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, what will come when we add? 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, 8. So we find first this sum of 32, which is 5, and this sum of 12, which is 3, and we we added here these two digits sum, this sum, and we are getting the answer 8. Okay, now we will find this sum of the answer. Here is here is answer 44, and in 44 there are two digits. There are two figures, and we will add these two figures. 4 plus 4 will be 4 plus 4 will be 8. So 8. Yes, so here by adding this sum of separate numbers, individual numbers, we get 8. And when we find the sum of this summation, okay, find the digit sum of the final answer of the sum, which is also 8, and this sum of this sums is this the answer by adding, by we get here by adding the digit sum of these two numbers, which is also 8, and these are 8. So our answer is correct. Okay, so here is our answer is correct. Yes, now I think you understand the method. Method is, we have two numbers. Okay, we will add these two numbers. Yes, we will add these two numbers, and we will get answer. How we will check in short time this answer is it correct or not? So we will find digit sum of the first number, and we will find digit sum of the second number, and adding these digit sum. And we will match this. We will match this answer we get here by adding digit sums by final answer. This sum of the final answer. Okay, we get here. Yes, our answer is correct. We will move on the next question to understand this topic. Okay, this process. Now our here is 365. 365 and add 365 and 208. Okay, 208. Check the answer. We have to add these two numbers. Also, we have to check the answer of these two numbers. So first we will add these numbers here, 365 and 208. These are two numbers. We have to add these two numbers. Now here is, we will start from last. Okay, so here is 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, what will be the answer? 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 will be, 5 plus 8 will be 13. Okay, here is 13 by adding 5 plus 8, 13. Okay, we will write this 3 here. Okay, we will write this 3 here, and we have write we write this 3 here, and 1 is carry, 1 will be carry. Okay, we write here for convenience. You have to solve in your mind. hmm? Okay, now here is 6 and 0. We will add this 6 and 0. We will add this 6 and 0. 6 and 0. 6 plus 0 will be 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Also 1 is carry. Okay, 1 is carry. We have to add this carry in this number. Okay, in this number. So we will add 6 plus 1. Okay, 6 plus 1 will be 7. What will be 7? So we will write here 7. Yes, next digit is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Okay, so here is answer of the question. Okay, by adding these two numbers we get here 573. And now we will check this answer. Hmm? Now we will check this answer, is it correct, is it correct or not. Then what is the process? First process is we have to add these two numbers. If any two numbers are given in the question, we have to add these two numbers. And then second step is we have to add we have to find the digit sum of the individual numbers which took part in the addition. Okay, so here is 365. Here is 365, 365 and 208. There is 365. 3 plus 6 plus 5. What will be the answer? But what is the this sum? You know, you have studied that in the previous class. If there is a 9 available in this number, there is a 9 available in this number, but in these figures, okay, here is figures are 3, 6, 5. There is no 9, so there is no number for forecasting out. Yes. What you notice that if we add two or more digits, two or more figures to get 9, okay, we can casting out that 9, that those figures. Okay, so here is 3 and 6. Here is 3 and 6. 3 and 6, 3 plus 6 will be 9. So we have to casting out these two figures also, and 1 is remaining only figure. Only 5 is only remaining figure. So this is this is sum of the upper number. Okay, this sum of the upper number. So we will write here this is sum of this. Yes. Now we have to move on the next question. Yes. So here is next number to find the digit sum. So here is 208. So here is 2 plus 0 plus 8. So we will ignore this 0. We will add 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 will be 10. And 10 again we get two digit number. We have to find this sum again. So we will follow the same process here. So we will add these 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. We get 1 plus 0 will be 1. So this sum of this number is 1. So we will write here 1. Okay, now we will adding these two digits this sum. So here 5 and 1. So we will add this 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. Yes, so this is sum of the, yes, this sum of the this is sum of these two numbers which took part in the addition. Yes, so now we have to find the this sum of the final answer by get this sum of this answer. Okay, so here is so we have to move. Here is 5, 7 and 3. We will add these 5 and 7 and plus 3. So you know 7 plus 3 will be 10. 7 plus 3 will be 10 and plus 5. If we add this 5 and this 10, we will get 15. 15 is two digit number. So we have to apply this the process of finding or the process of finding this sum, we have to apply these. Okay, there is 1 and 5. We will add these 1 plus 5. Okay, we will add this 1 plus 5 will be 5. 1 plus 5 will be 6. Okay, 1 plus 5 will be 6. So here is also this sum is 6. So our answer is correct. So here we get digit sum by adding these answer. Okay, here is answer 573, and here we find here this sum of this number which is 6. Also this sum of the this by getting here is this sum of 365 is 5, 208 is 1, and by adding these this sum we get answer 6, which is resemble with, which is match, which matches with this 6. Okay, our answer is correct. Yes, so yes, this is correct. So now we have to move on the next examples to understand the this question. Okay, here is this. Here is add 77 and 124 and check. Yes, we have to add 77 and what 124. 77 and 124. We have to add these two numbers. Yes. So what will we do? Here is 7 and 4. So we will add this. Yes. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 will be 11, you know. 7 plus 4 will be 11. And we will add this one. Okay. Here and this one is will be carry. Okay. So we will write here 1 and 1 is here is carry. I write here this is carry. Then we will add this 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 will be 9. Okay, 7 plus 2 will be 9. Yes. So here is 1 carry. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. So here we will write this 0 in this place and 1 will be carry. Yes. We will write this and 1 will be carry. And here is 1 and what will we have to add this carry also. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we are writing this 2 here. So our answer is 201 by adding these two numbers 77 and 124. Okay, 124. Here is 201. So now we have to check is it correct. So we will check this by digit sum. Okay, here is 77. You know, 77. What is the digit sum of the 77? So we will add these 77 plus 7. So we will by adding these 7 plus 7. We get 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and 14 is again the two digit number, so we will add these two digits also. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 will be 5, 1 plus 4 will be 5. So this sum of this 77 will be 5. Okay, this sum of this number will be 5. Yes. Now we have to move for finding the this sum of this number 1 to 124. Okay, 124. So here is 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4. Yes, here 1 plus 2 will be 3 plus 4 will be 3 plus 4 will be 7. So this is sum of this number. This is sum of this number will be 7. Yes, so this is sum of this number will be 7. We have to add these two digit sums. 5 plus 7 will be 5 plus 7 will be 12. Yes, you know how to 6 12. So then we have to find the sum of this 12. So now we will add the this is two figure number, this is two figure number. So then what will we do? So we will apply this process again on this number, this 12. Okay, so here is 1 in this 12 there are two figures 1 and 2. So we have to add these 1 and 2. So we will get 1 plus 2 will be 3. So answer, so here is answer will be 3. Yes, so here is 3. Yes, the 3. So then we have to find the digit sum of the final answer by getting a by a, by getting addition. Okay, there is 201. So if here are three digits, here are three figures, we have to add these two three figures. Yes, 2 plus 0 will be 2, plus 1 will be 2, plus 1 will be 3, will be 3. So here also this is sum of this number. Okay, this is sum of this answer is also 3, and we get answer here 3 also. So our answer is correct because this is these these two answers are resembling to each other. So our addition is correct. Yes, our addition is correct. Now, I think you have understand all the process carefully and enjoyfully. Now we have to move on the next question. Now we have to move on the next question. Here is 3760 and the second number is 481. Now we have to first we have to find the sum of this number, and after that we have to check the answer of this question. So now what will we do? We will do um, here is first digit. Yes, here is 3760,481. What will we do? Here is 0. 0 plus 1 will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0 plus 1 will 0 plus 1 will be 1. So we write here 1. Yes. Now here is 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 will be 14, 6 plus 8 will be 14. Yes. So we will write this for in this place. Okay. And 140 we have write this 4 on this place. And one is will be carry. So we will write here 1. Yes. Now here is 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 will be 11. Yes, 7 plus 4 will be 11. Okay, and 1 is carry, so we will add this 1 here. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 1 plus 1 will be, by adding in this 11, by getting 7 and by getting addition, by addition of this 7 and 4 we get 11, and we have to add this carry in this 11, so we get 12. Okay, 12, we get 12. So by this 2 is put here. Okay, we will put this 2 here, and 1 will be carry. Yes, and 1 will be carry. Yes, I put here 2 and 1 carry, and now here is only 3. So what will we do? So we will do we have to add this and 1 carry. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 will be 4. So we will write here 4. So our answer is 4 2 4 1. Yes, 4 2 4 1. Yes, yes. So now what will we do? So now we will find the digit sum first. Now we have to check is this answer is correct or not. So now what will we do? Here is they go. Here is first number. We have to find the sum of this first number. So what will we do? So we will do we will find the digit sum of this number. So then we first find there is no 9 available in this number. Okay, so then what will we do? So we will do, we have to check those digits, those figures which uh, which by adding we get 9. So here is 3 and 6. Here is 3 and 6. So by adding this 3 and 6, we will get 9. Okay, we will get 9. So now that's why we have to casting out these two figures, 3 and 6. We have to casting out these two figures. Also 0, we will link out this 0, so only numbers here remaining figure is 7. So our digit sum will be 7. Yes, 7. So we write here this 7. Now we have to move on the next number. Here is 481. 481. So we have to check. There is no 9. So first we have to check which figure are making 9 by addition. Yes, here is 8 and 1 in this number. Here is 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So we have to casting out these two numbers. Okay. Here is remaining number is 4. So that's why our this sum of this number will be 4. Yes. Now we have to add these two digits sum. So here 7 plus 4 will be 7 plus 4 will be 11, but we have to find digit sum. So now here is 11 is two figure number. So here is 1 plus 1. In 11 there are two figures, 1 and 1. So we have to add these two figures. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, so here is answer 2. 2. Now we have to check this answer. It is matching the digit sum. It is matching with the digit sum of this number, of this answer. Okay, so here is, so we have to find. Here is 4. Here is 4. 4 or 1. 4 plus 1. Yes. 4 plus 1 will be 5, and 5 plus 4 will be 9. So these are making 9. We have to casting out these figures also. Here is only remaining number is 2. Here is remaining number is 2. So our this sum of this number will be 2, and here answer by getting adding this sum we get also 2, and here is this sum of this number also 2. So our answer is correct. Okay, our answer is correct. Yes, so I think you have understanding by various examples. Here is one question. Here is question you have to understand. Okay, uh, you have to take care about this problem. So here is one example. Here is 279, 279 and 121. Okay, 279 and 121 plus we have to plus and answer is given here 490. Okay, answer is given here 490. This answer is not correct here. This answer is not correct here, but write here 490. Yes, we are writing here 490. And we have to check it, is it correct? Is it correct answer? So we will check the answer. Now is here is we have to add this from last. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 will be 9 plus 1 will be no, we have to check. So by checking we have to find the digit sum of the numbers. Yes, we have to find the digit sum of the numbers. So now here is 9. We have to cast out this 9. So we have to find the digit sum of this first number. So 9 will be casting out. Here is other two numbers, 2 and 7. The 2 plus 7 will be also will also be 9. So then we have to casting out these numbers. So there is no number. So here is this sum is 0. Here is this sum is 0. Yes. Now we have to move on the next number. Here is 1, 2, 3. In this number there are 3 figures. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Yes. We have to find these two figures. Yes. We have to solve these. We have to find the sum of this by adding these 3 figures. Yes. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 1 plus 2 will be 3 plus 1 will be 3 plus 1 will be 4. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So here is the sum of this number. This sum of this number is 4. Yes. Now we have to add this answer. 0 plus 4 will be 4. Yes, and here is answer is given. Here is answer is given in the question. So here is 490. So here is 9 is available. 9 will be casting out. 9 will be casting out. So here is main, this is 4. So here is also 4, here is also 4, here this some has, it's 4, here is also 4. So it is correct. But if we add these two numbers, actually we get different answer. We get we get different answer. We have to check 7279 and 12. Yes, yeah. These numbers are written here. Yes, I mean there is 9 plus 1 will be 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we have to write the 0 here, and 1 will be carry. So here is 1, 1 will be carry. Now we have to move on the next digit. Yes, 7 and 2. 7 and 2 will be 7 plus 2 will be 9, and 9 will, here is we get here 9. Now 1 is carry. Okay, 1 is carry. So we have to add this 9 into this 1. Yes, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we have to add this 0 here, and 1 will be carry. Yes, 0 and 1 will be carry. Now here is 2 and here is 1. So we have to add these two number. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 2 plus 1 will be 3, and 1 is carry. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 will be 4. So we will write here 4. Okay, so here is also, here is 400, but we write here 490. So it is also have, this is some, it is also by checking the number bigger, by checking by this matter. Okay, this is some check. eh, by by we are checking here, uh, okay, some addition by digit sum. According to digit sum, it is also true, but actually answer is 400. Yes, this also have, this is sum, 4 plus 0 plus 4. Yes, we have to 0 ignore, and only 4. So we get also 4. So this also has, so these also, this process is also apply here. Okay, so you have to uh, you have to question about this problem. Okay, so now I have discussed this process by various examples to you. So now I have I have some questions. Okay, I have some questions for practicing. Okay, so here you have to practice these questions. Okay, you have to practice these questions. Practice questions. Here is level 1 question. Okay, A, B, C, D. So you have to take the screenshot and you have to solve in the next class, and you have to write the answer of these questions in the comment box. Okay, you have to take the screenshot, or you can pause the video and check, solve these questions. Okay, now you have to take the screenshot. I think you have taken the screenshot, uh, and also you have to take this for this. Yes, now we have to move on the level 2 questions. Yes, these are level 2 questions you have to solve, and you will be able to solve the all the questions in your mind. Yes, so congratulations, you now know how to use digit sum check to verify your answers quickly and confidently. Practice these examples, and this method will become second nature. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to Math Epic Tube, and I'll see you in the next lecture with another powerful Vedic maths technique.